getting this guy ready for a little caffeine and chrome.
I've never been to a cars and coffee type event before, but this caffeine and chrome event at Gateway Classic Cars just happened to fall on my 48th birthday. Charlene enjoyed the coffee that was provided, and I refrained because I say that coffee is for grown-ups.
Have you seen one of these in person yet? Look at it. I don't know that I have either. Up close anyway. Maybe on the road.
Look at all the like.
The lines?
Yes. Do you know what that is on top of the car?
It
It's
looks
a solo cup upside
it,
down.
it sure does look.
Well, what birthday celebration wouldn't be complete without a little bit of excitement? Yeah, I locked my keys in my car. And unfortunately, it's a lot easier than it should be to break into your own vehicle to get your keys back out. I owned this car for almost 22 years before I ever locked the keys in it. And that was last year at the NMCA finals. And I watched the fella use a Slim Jim and how easy he got into it. And I thought, here on my birthday, I thought, well, I can do that. I can get in there. And thankfully, there was a young man at the Gateway Classic Cars who came out and helped me, and we had a couple things we rigged together, and it took us about an hour, but we got in there. We have Firebird decals, and I'd love for you to have one. You can get one at my eBay store at the link in the description below. If you said yes to me wearing the Halloween decoration to work, you would be correct.